Hey everyone, welcome back to 4 Credit Guys. Today, we're diving into the key players in securitization. But before we meet the players, let's quickly explain what securitization is. Imagine you have a bunch of IOUs from different people who owe you money. Securitization is like bundling all those IOUs together and selling them as one package to investors. This process turns debts into tradable assets. Key player number 1, the originator. Think of them as the starting point of our securitization journey. The originator is usually a bank or another financial institution. They create loans like mortgages, car loans, or credit card debts. These loans are the raw material for securitization. For example, let's say Bank A gives out 1,000 mortgages. They're now the originator of these loans. Key player number 2, the sponsor. They're like the project manager of securitization. The sponsor buys loans from the originator. They decide which loans to group together for securitization. Often, the originator and sponsor are the same company. In our example, Bank A might also act as the sponsor, choosing which of their mortgages to securitize. Key player number 3, the issuer. The issuer is like the creator of the final product in securitization. They set up a special company called a Special Purpose Vehicle, SPV. The SPV buys the loans from then sponsor. The issuer then creates securities, like bonds, based on these loans. Continuing our example, Bank A, or another entity, creates Mortgage Trust 2024 as the SPV, which issues mortgage-backed securities. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to 4 Credit Guys for more easy-to-understand financial content. Hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. And hey, drop a comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Key player number 4, the underwriter. The underwriter is like a salesperson for the securities. They buy the securities from the issuer. They then sell these securities to investors. Underwriters are usually investment banks. For instance, Big Investment Bank might buy the mortgage-backed securities from Mortgage Trust 2024 and sell them to various investors. Key player number 5, the rating agency. The rating agency is like a quality checker for the securities. They analyze the securities and give them a rating. Ratings help investors understand the risk of the securities. Common rating agencies include Moody's, Standard & Poor's, and Fitch. These agencies might rate our mortgage-backed securities as AAA, very safe, or BBB, medium risk, for example. Key player number 6, the servicer. The servicer is like a caretaker for the loans. They collect payments from the original borrowers. They handle administrative tasks related to the loans. They pass the collected payments to the SPV. In our example, this might be Bank A again, or a separate company hired to manage the mortgages. Key player number 7, the trustee. The trustee is like a referee, making sure everyone follows the rules. They oversee the SPV. They ensure investors receive their payments. They act in the best interest of the investors. A trust company would perform this role for our Mortgage Trust 2024. Key player number 8, the investor. They're the end buyers of the securities. They can be companies or other financial institutions. They buy the securities hoping to receive regular payments. Different investors might buy different risk levels of securities. For example, a pension fund might buy the safest parts of our mortgage-backed securities, while a hedge fund might buy the riskier parts. And there you have it. These are the key players in the securitization process. From the originator who starts with the loans, to the investors who ultimately buy the securities, each player has an important role in this financial dance.